Man charged last week with sexually abusing a student at Niagara County Community College is now facing more sex abuse charges for another crime on the same campus last month. The sheriff's office says 25-year-old Dejuan sexually abused a person on campus on July 19th. 2 weeks later, on August 3rd, police say Hunt grabbed a female student walking down a hall and forced her into a stairwell. Now, 7 Eyewitness News has learned that after the first incident, students and faculty were not notified, and we wanted to find out why. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Liz Lewin has been digging for answers tonight. She's live in the newsroom with
Well, Jeff, I spent the afternoon in Lewiston today on the NCCC campus digging, as you said, for answers. And the question on some people's minds tonight is why weren't students and faculty immediately alerted following Hunt's first suspected sexual offense on July 19th? Now, one campus official says it's because it didn't meet both criteria under the Clery Act. Barbara DeSimone from the Office of Public Relations issued this statement saying in part, quote, "The incident that occurred on July 19th was not a Clery Act crime and was dealt with at that time following the procedures set out in the college's practices and procedures." So what is the Clery Act? Well, it's a federal law requiring all colleges and universities participating in federal financial aid programs to keep and disclose information about crime on and near their campuses in a timely manner. And while NCCC maintains Hunt's initial accusation did not pose a continuing threat, 7 Eyewitness News legal expert Florina Altschuler says it did, and someone dropped the ball.
If there's a suspect that is out there in the community, the potential of that suspect committing another crime on the same campus is pretty high. And until the incident has been investigated and until the suspect has been arrested, that incident remains ongoing, or at least the potential for the crime to happen again remains a concern. Therefore, there is a duty by the university to inform its employees and students of the incident.
Altschuler says that duty was simple. It was an email blast alerting the students and staff to the situation. That would have been sufficient. Now, the Niagara County Sheriff's Office told me earlier today that Hunt is now being charged with sexual abuse in the 3rd degree, which is a Class B misdemeanor. He's also scheduled to reappear in court in September, but in the meantime, he's being held on a $20,000 bail. For now, we're live in the newsroom. Liz Lewin, 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you very much for your reporting, Liz. Skywatch.